Welcome to your favorite channel for studying English. In this video, we will study 50 common words used in English. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. Anything. Do you want anything else? No, thank you. I don't want anything more.
Term. What does this term mean? I don't know what that term means or this word either.
Towards. What should I do if bear comes toward me? Yell and wave your arms, but don't run.
Low. Are the prices low or high there? Some things have a low price.
Public. Do you know if there is a public library here? You mean a library that is free and open to the public?
I can't let you use that. Why can't you allow me to use it? You let him use it.
Required. Does that university require any particular test? Yes, one is required and you need a good score.
Read. Do you like to read? Yes. I like to read books.
Continue. Will you continue next month? I'm continuing. I'll study for several months more.
Period. What class do you have first period? First period? At that time I have reading and writing.
Figure. The sales figures are not too good. Too bad. What was the final figure this month?
Center/center. Let's stand in a circle and you go in the center. I don't want to be in the center of the circle.
Society. This is a free society, but it has problems. There are problems in all societies.
Police. Do you see that police car? Yes, why are the police here?
When did you lose your book? I'm not sure, but it's lost now. I've looked all over.
Can you add these numbers in your head? I'm sure I can add them.
City. Do you live in a small city or a big one? I live in the capital, which is a very large city.
The leaves are starting to fall. That's why they call this season fall.
Probably. Do you think it will probably rain tomorrow? I'm almost sure it will rain, but probably no until late.
Available. Is there a room available? Sorry. We're full. There are no rooms available.
Community. Is this a good community? Well, I like the people who live in this community.
Fine. What kind of car do you want? I want a fast car.
Is the price high? Yes, it costs a lot. The price is very high.
Control. I lost control of my car in the snow. Too bad we can't control the weather.
Action. What action can we take to make things better? I don't know what we can do. What actions do you suggest?
What is the cost? The price is low. It doesn't cost much.
What is a current political issue in your country? The hot issue is about women's rights.
Applying to a university is a complex process. What is the first step in that process?
Position. Our company is in a good position to grow. Well, you are in a position to know.
Remain. I hope we can remain friends after we leave here. Me too. I hope we remain friends for a long time.
Remember. Do you remember his name? No, I forgot it too. I just can't remember names.
Course. How long is this course? The course is 4 weeks long.
Minute. Do you have a minute? Just wait a minute.
Bad. This is a bad day for you, isn't it? It's really bad. I was late and I lost my book on the bus.
Today. Is he going today? Not today. He is going tomorrow.
Buy. Are you going to buy a new computer? I'm not going to buy one now. I'll wait for a sale.
How many languages can you speak? I can speak my language and a little English.
Education. Is a good education important? These days, a good education is essential.
Actually. Is that actually true? Actually, I'm not sure. I think it's the truth.
Ever. Have you ever seen that before? Oh, never. Have you ever seen anything like that?
I'm an active type of person. What about you? Not me. I'm the type who likes to sit and watch TV.
Research. In university, I'll have to do research. What kind of research will you do?
What was your favorite subject in school? I didn't like any subject.
So, please stop the car. I can't stop here. Just wait a minute.
Program/program. Is this a good program? Yes, it is a good program for me.
Moment. Hang on. Wait a moment, please. Is this a bad moment to talk?
Doesn't she have a little girl? The girl is 3 years old.
What is your age? Sorry. I'd rather not tell you my age.
Father. How many sons does your father have? So far, there is just me, but my father wants another son.
Then, how can I send this package? Ask in the office. They will know how you can send it.
Value. What is the value of learning this language? It's of great value. It's really worth the effort. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.